Hi there, Christian here, and today I'm going to work you through two examples of document review. Once we land on the contributor dashboard, we will click on the Doc Review button on the left. The document review entails scanning the full text of the provided document and flagging any errors that have been automatically extracted. Let me show you how it's done. Once I have read the instructions at the top, I'm going to then scroll down to the actual text, where I have four fields that I'm going to be checking for, the first being title. The title is usually at the beginning of the document. So I can see that the title came from this line right here, so I'm going to say that's correct. For publication date, I see it's February 15th, and at a quick glance, I can see that February 15th is indeed that publication date. For document type, I see that it's a proposed rule. So with a control find, I can see that proposed rule is in the document, so I'm going to say that's correct. And finally, for summary, there's some strange symbols with these dashes, so I'm going to look for a suitable replacement. So once I've read the document, I see that this sentence here is the most suitable replacement for that summary. So I'm going to copy that text, I'm going to flag summary, I'm going to paste my replacement, I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to go on to my next document. For our second document, we're going to scroll down, look at the title, and we can see that the title came from this line right here. So we're going to say that is correct. For publication date, at a quick glance, we see the 16th of February, which matches the full text. For proposed rule, we're going to do another control find, type in proposed rule, and see that that matches. And for summary here, we see that there's no strange symbols, so it came from the text. It could work out. We read through here, we find that there's indeed a summary section, and our text matches it. So we're going to say that is correct. With all four fields being correct, I'm going to put no errors in this document, and I'm going to click done. Thanks so much for being a regulatory hero. Please let us know if you have any questions.